Hello there, pet owners. Welcome back to the Big Sweep, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to make your life with your furry friends even better. Today's video, cleaning hacks for pet owners, says so long to fur and odors. We'll give you some ideas for dealing with fur balls and bad smells. And trust me, you won't want to miss our bonus hack at the end of the video, so stick around. Now, let's get started. First up, let's tackle the fur issue. We all know how our furry friends can leave their mark all over our furniture and clothing. Here are some Fur-tastic solutions to keep your home fur-free. One of the best ways to minimize pet fur around your home is regular grooming. Brush your pet daily to reduce shedding. Not only will it help control fur, but it's also a bonding experience. Sticky lint rollers are your secret weapon against pet fur on your clothes and furniture. Keep one handy, and you'll be amazed at how much fur you can pick up with a few quick rolls. Rubber gloves aren't just for dishwashing. Put on a pair and rub your hands over your furniture or clothes. The fur will stick to the gloves, making cleanup a breeze. Now that we've got the fur situation under control, let's talk about those stubborn pet odors. Whether it's a litter box, pet beds, or just that doggy smell, we've got you covered. Baking soda is a miracle worker when it comes to neutralizing odors. Sprinkle it on carpets, pet bedding, and even in the litter box. Let it sit for a while, then vacuum or shake it out. White vinegar is a fantastic natural deodorizer. Mix it with water in a spray bottle and mist your pet's favorite hangout spots. The vinegar smell disappears as it dries, taking pet odors with it. Consider investing in an air purifier with a HEPA filter. It'll help remove pet dander and odors from the air, leaving your home smelling fresh. Now, let's tackle those unexpected accidents that leave stains. Whether it's urine, vomit, or other messes, these stain removal secrets will save your day. When dealing with a fresh stain, always remember to blot, not rub. Rubbing can spread the stain and push it deeper into fabrics or carpets. Enzyme-based cleaners are a must-have for pet owners. They break down organic stains and odors at a molecular level, leaving no trace behind. A mixture of hydrogen peroxide and a few drops of dish soap can work wonders on tough stains. Test it in an inconspicuous area first to make sure it won't damage your fabric or carpet. Alright, you've made it to the end, and it's time for the bonus hack that will make your life as a pet owner even easier. Ready? Add a little fabric softener to your pet's laundry. Not only will their bedding come out soft and cozy, but it will also help repel pet hair and keep it smelling fresh. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more pet-related content. Also, drop a comment below and let us know which hack you loved the most, or share your own pet cleaning tip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.